In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales orders in QuickBooks Online Plus. Before you can build accurate sales orders and other sales forms, you need the products and services you sell set up correctly. That way, when you add them to a form, QuickBooks knows the name, price, and which income account to use. Let's walk through creating a new service item so it's ready for your future sales orders. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen for the Settings gear icon. Click that to open your company settings menu. From there, choose Products and Services. This is your catalog, the master list of everything you sell, whether it's a physical product, a service, or a bundle. On the Products and Services page, click the New button. You'll see options for different item types. Select Service. Services are ideal for things like consulting, installation, coaching, or any non-inventory work you deliver to customers. Now fill out the service details. Begin with the name. Use a clear, customer-friendly name that your team will also recognize. Consistent naming helps with search and reporting later. If you use internal codes, add an SKU. It's optional for services, but it can make tracking and importing easier if you have multiple systems. Next, choose a category. Categories let you group similar offerings, like labor, consulting, or maintenance, so your lists stay tidy and your reports are more meaningful. If you already have categories, pick the one that fits. If not, choose the closest match you have for now. You can refine your structure later. Enter a sales price or rate. If your service has a standard price, type it here so QuickBooks fills it in automatically on sales forms. If pricing varies by job, you can leave it blank and enter the amount each time you add it to a sales order or invoice. Choose the correct income account. This tells QuickBooks where to record revenue from this service. Match it to your chart of accounts. Something like service income or consulting income is common. If you're unsure, check with your accountant to keep your financials clean and consistent. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your new service is now in the Products and Services list and ready to use. The next time you create a sales order or any sales form, select this service from the Product/Service column. QuickBooks will pull in the name, default rate if you set one, and post the revenue to the right account. Repeat these steps for each service you offer and you'll have a clean, consistent catalog that speeds up sales entry and improves reporting.